Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, let's discuss about adding image in HTML. HTML img tag is used to display images on the web pages. HTML img tag is an empty tag that contains attribute only. Closing tags are not used in HTML image elements. Attributes of HTML img tag. The src and alt are important attributes of HTML image tag. All the attributes of HTML image tag are: number 1 src, number 2 alt, number 3 width, number 4 height. Now let's talk about src. It is a necessary attribute that describes the source or path of the image. It instructs the browser where to look for the image on the server. The location of image may be on the same directory or another server. Next, alt. The alt attributes define an alternate text for the image. If it can't be displayed, the value of the alt attribute describes the image in words. The alt attribute is considered good for SEO perspective. Next, width. It is an optional attribute which is used to specify the width to display the image. It is not recommended now. You should apply CSS in place of width attribute. Next, height. The HTML height attribute also supports iframe, image, and object elements. It is not recommended now. You should apply CSS in place of height attribute. Let's see an example. That's all about adding image to web pages. I'll be back with next video.